At Gazz Digital, we are a digital marketing agency that focuses on small and medium businesses to build custom marketing campaigns that build visibility, engage audiences, and lead to conversions, which helps you to grow your business through new sales and new leads. Our approach is not a one-size-fits-all. We don't take a cookie-cutter approach. We'll start with a conversation. We want to understand your business, your goals, your competitive advantages, and all those go into a tailored campaign designed to increase your sales and leads. These components can include custom web design, search engine optimization, digital advertising, social media marketing, and content marketing. So with that, if you'd like to discuss your business, your goals, and your options for a strategic digital marketing campaign, we encourage you to reach out to us today. And we look forward to speaking with you. Thank you.